Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build a virtual assistant with Alexa skills detailed guide step by step clearly. To build a virtual assistant with Alexa skills, begin by visiting the Amazon Developer Console. If you do not have an Amazon account, create one to gain access. Once logged in, click on Alexa in the top navigation menu. Select Get Started under the Alexa Skills Kit. Click on the Create Skill button to start a new project. Choose a skill type that best fits your virtual assistant's purpose. For a basic assistant, select the Custom option. Enter a name for your skill, making it relevant and memorable. Choose the default language for your skill. Click Next to proceed to the interaction model setup. Define the intent schema by identifying the actions your skill should understand. Create sample utterances for each intent to train the voice recognition. Use the Alexa simulator on the right side of the screen to test your utterances. Refine your intents and utterances based on feedback from the simulator. Once satisfied with the interaction model, click Build Model to save your changes. Next, navigate to the code section to add functionality to your skill. Choose your preferred coding environment, like AWS Lambda or a custom endpoint. If using AWS Lambda, create a new Lambda function and select the Hello World template. Write the code to handle the logic of your virtual assistant's responses. Make sure to include error handling for better user experience. Test your code locally before uploading it to AWS Lambda. Back in the Alexa Developer Console, link your Lambda function with your skill by providing the ARN. Return to the Test tab to enable testing on your skill. Use the Alexa simulator to simulate voice interactions and check for accuracy. Continue refining both your interaction model and your code based on your testing results. After thorough testing, navigate to the distribution section of the console. Fill out the necessary information to submit your skill for certification. Ensure you follow the Alexa Skills Store certification guidelines to avoid rejection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.